This is Barry from Riotouch. There is something based on HTML, 982EA. And from here, let's first look at its specification and some latest information are based in the reviews. And about you can think this is a 4-core CPU, which is the basic 4 GB RAM and 6 GB memory. And by the way, this is Android 13, which is better than Android 12. And for the things you mentioned, the first thing about annotation mode. The annotation mode here we can use like pen tools. And the pen tools they'll pump out a function that we can easily write anything and able to choose different colors to annotate. Okay, annotation mode, then we quit it. And after that, you mean like screenshots, we're also capable to doing this for you. There's like ucodes. We named blank under the ucode that you can choose to get a screenshot by any site shape, even to get a QR code that you can share. This one is not connected to internet, so we are not capable to use it. Then it will save in your local. Then we can get files. Within the file management approach, we can detect different file types. And for instance, we can serve a smart library software. This is the UI. I can show you a little more about it. As you can see, we can choose different colors for pens. For 2 sides, then we have 2 different colors. And so the pen eraser, and then like action eraser. Even those buttons on the side, if you want to use the other side, they can just press here. Then the undo tools will just run for you. And something you mentioned like library software and even the screenshot I can show by multi-videos to make you have a clear understanding of this panel. With building software and also Wi-Fi. Those internet get LAN for other 45 and also the wireless internet. So here are the things about this 982.